It's a 2019 Buick Encore. Your journey to the urban jungle awaits, and this SUV is well suited for the adventure. Features include intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, air conditioning, Bluetooth streaming audio, manual tilting steering column, Buick 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, external memory control, aluminum wheels, doors and push-button start proximity key, and Apple CarPlay Android Auto allows you to use apps from your phone through your vehicle's infotainment system. From automobile, the Buick Encore offers reasonable fuel economy, impressive driving dynamics, and an upscale interior at a sweet spot price that makes it accessible to those who normally shop brands that are more conventional. Imaginative luxury for the real world. That's today's Buick. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
At Dave Sinclair Buick GMC, our customer service speaks for itself. Visit today. We're conveniently located at 5655 South Lindbergh Boulevard in St. Louis.